Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'm going to be walking you through my first altcoin of the day today, and that is a bit of Chainlink, a bit of Link coming through here because there's a potential position and some potential very valuable TA for you guys to learn here. We're going to be starting off with Link here on the daily. Apologies, I've got a very bad throat, so I'm going to be a little bit quieter today, not as much energy as we normally have on the Monday to Friday everyday stream. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it, guys. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, all that juicy stuff coming through there. Yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the Link here on the daily. As you can see here, guys, we do have a potential for a cup and handle scenario to basically play out here. If we're going to see it, it's going to be the cup like so, and then the handle coming up to around this point of resistance, sat around that $34.5 there. So it's definitely something to be looking out for the future if we are going to see a nice big spike up in the price. And at this point in time, we are looking for quite a big breakout to come through for Chainlink at this time. As you can see, guys, we've got a falling wedge chart pattern. You can see the resistance we are finding from this zone for the top side. Didn't quite get it here, but now we've found a lot of support on the top side, of this trend line, as you can see there. Now on the lower side, you can see the support that we found continuously along here. So now we know if we are going to dump down in price at all, any insane crypto crash coming through there, guys, we know that we've got a lovely bounce point coming through. In terms of a measure of what we are looking for this falling wedge, guys, because we know falling wedges, they tend to usually break to the upside, right? So we're going to be looking for some sort of measure move like so, probably bringing the price all the way up to around the previous lower high here, and that's going to be sat around $31.24. So that's definitely a price target to be aiming for there. If we are going to be getting into any sort of long position, I will be talking about that very briefly. The measure move percentage for that is going to be around 17% gain there. For us, probably more looking at around a 10 to 12% gain there. Obviously, stagger and take profits all the way up, and we will get to that very shortly. Now, that's basically summed up here on the daily. What I would say here, guys, we are pretty central on the RSI as well. We do have room. We've got a lot of room for actual improvement here, which basically means if we do see any sort of major pump here for Link here, it's going to be absolutely fine. We're not going to get to that overbought scenario coming through quickly. We're not going to get there very fast. So it basically means we've got a lot of room for growth, right? Which is very, very good stuff indeed. Now, in terms of the MACD here, guys, we do have a trend cycle coming through on the daily as well. So it's pretty valid. As you can see, this actually predicts perfectly where the trend is going to have that reversal point coming through. We've just had that bullish crossover, guys. We're setting lower highs continuously here. So if we are going to come up to this zone in terms of a big spike in the price there for Link, we basically need to be using this as a piece of information for a reversal point to basically be probably be getting out of our trade if the trend is going to start changing when we get to this sort of zone here, right? So yeah, definitely another piece of information for you guys to be using. Let me jump down to the 4 hourly. Don't want to keep you guys too long here. Nice quick update. We're going to jump down to the 4 hour and see potential breakout scenario coming through here. Guys, you can see we've got a broadening wedge pattern coming through here as well. Obviously, this is the measure move from that the bigger term time frame coming through there. So yeah, we'll just leave that there for now. But yeah, as you can see here, guys, we've got heavy levels of resistance along this zone. Heavy levels of resistance along the zone. Potential for a breakout scenario happening as I'm talking here. Sat around that $27.50 there. You can see the support that we've got on the lower side here. Pretty strong stuff as well. And also the downward sloping support line from that falling wedge pattern that I was talking about on the daily a second ago there. If we are looking for any sort of long position here, guys, it's going to be looking pretty progressive, right? And the way that I'm going to do this here is going to be on the least recent uptrend because it's a broadening wedge, and we're not greedy out here. We're not going for those insane gains coming through here. We're going for nice realistic gains, not greedy gains coming through here. So yeah, if we are going to be entering any sort of long position on this breakout scenario here, I would actually be waiting till we till we've cleared around this $28.25 there. As you can see there, guys, this is where that final wick price would have been, and basically we're going to go long after that scenario there because basically it's a confirmation of a breakout around a 2.4% gain there. Obviously not leveraged, that's a spot trade there, guys. And when we're in that scenario, we basically know we could have the potential for a measure move on the bigger term time frame, guys, and that's around a 10.37% there, obviously bringing us up perfectly to that volume weighted ATR band as well. That's definitely going to be a resistance point for us to be taking profit at as well. So yeah, that's a little bit of a Chainlink update there for you guys. If you want to go check out my website, I've got premium scalp package, and you get 5 scalps per day, 25 scalps a week, Monday to Friday, and 100 scalps a month, guys, for as little as £19.99. And also there's a free trial that runs until Friday. So yeah, if you want to go check that out, the link is in the description. But yeah, for now, it is going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.